Welcome to Nshama
Townsquare. Finally, we're here in Townsquare.
I love this place.
It's a lovely place. I fell in love with this community 2 years back. If investors or even if it's end users, I think this is a perfect place to invest.
You know, it's funny. I think I have a picture of mine taking a handover property of 21. I don't know if we can find it. We'll try and find that. So I don't remember if it was. So I got a property on a high floor with a full park view. You know, it was amazing. No, I love this place. It's amazing.
This place was selling for 11 to 1200 per square feet last year, and now it's at around 14 to 1500 per square feet now.
So now, what do you think the prices can go up to?
They are already going up. It's been already been a 15% appreciation for the people who bought last year in December.
Okay.
So considering a 12-month period, I think now the starting price of a project here, let's say the Baltimore, amazing project. They still have inventory, by the way, and if somebody is interested, please get in touch with us. They still have inventory, and the starting price in Baltimore is $970 for a one bed.
So that's per square foot. It's like you're talking about 1,500 dirham per square foot.
Exactly.
See, now I knew that there was a Nshama phase 1 and phase 2. The phase 2 is yet to come.
It is yet to come, yeah.
So in phase 2 is where the school and the hospital is there.
Exactly.
And that's when the prices will.
Absolutely.
And there's a metro station coming somewhere over here.
There is also a metro station coming here, but that has at least 3 to 4 years still.
Because I'll tell you why. The entire Damac Hills 2 is selling on the basis that there's a bus shuttle that comes to Nshama.
Exactly.
And the whole selling point of Damac Hills 2 was actually the fact of that metro station in Nshama.
There will be one. However, right now you can take a free shuttle from at the back of this building.
Right.
It will take you straight to Mall of
Just
Emirates.
look at the vibe. It's so nice, right? It is so nice. Kids playing, water parks, restaurants, cafes. Okay,
it's basically a complete family community. Let's say there's no comparison though. If people can't buy in Creek Harbour
or Dubai Hills,
yes, I think this is the perfect place to invest.
So okay, one bed for 970, two bed for
somewhere around 1.3, 1.4.
Okay.
However, you can still get secondary units in Nshama for around 800,000, still under a million.
One bed.
Yeah, exactly.
If you see behind us, there's an entire concert area where all the community comes together and they host different functions and everything. See, we talk with Asad because he's a secondary market expert. This is the idea. See, a lot of clients of mine say that, okay, not Airbnb, but long-term rentals. So he actually gave me an opportunity where I can get a one bed over here, around 800,000, and the rental is around 70 to 75,000 for a one bed. So you're looking at around net 8%.
8%, yeah.
This is a very realistic figure, you know. Now, if I try to, I know people hype up numbers a lot, but very realistically, a good, neat, clean 8% in a beautiful community like this, which has potential to increase in value as well. I mean, your capital value will also increase. I think it's a great opportunity.
Absolutely, and it's perfect for those people who are actually looking to invest under a million.
Under a million dirhams, I think this is one of the best communities to invest in, 100%. Okay, so one bed around 800,000 secondary market, two bed around 1.4 million.
1.3, 1.4, yeah.
And three beds?
1.8, 1.9.
It's amazing. That's really, really
and
interesting.
And rentals are doing well as well. 70 to 75 for one bed, and then up to 100,000 for a two bed.
And then 2 to 3 years down the line, when the metro stations come in line, we can expect an increase. When the hospital and the school comes in over there, we can expect a substantial increase in prices.
And it's only 20 minutes drive from the new upcoming airport.
This location is close to new. Oh, that's also very interesting. No, I love. I know Nshama. I've always loved. I started speaking of Nshama in 2021. I've always loved this community, and I don't know if a lot of people know this. It's a subsidiary of EMA, and that is why you can see that sort of standard of finishes in Nshama Townsquare.
Exactly. So you see, people who can't actually invest higher capital in, let's say, Dubai Hills or Creek Harbour, you're actually getting a replicated community.
100%. Look at it.
So-
it's so nice. It is so nice.
And it's lovely
It is-
growing here with family.
Excellent. So, under 1 million series, let us know what are the area you'd like us to cover. Let us know. I'm thinking of DLRC.
DLRC has seen a huge rise in sales in January. So I was just
Beat
checking the
JVC.
data, comparing it with JVC,
Yeah.
and DLRC is number one right now. People are investing heavily in there.
So I think
we should do a video on DLRC as well.
DLRC, Dubai Silicon Oasis, Jumeirah Garden City, Dubai Science Park.
There's a great project by Serenova, called Serenova by POB1, which is actually Al Ghurair, the owners of Mashreq Bank.
Yeah.
They've got a very nice project called Serenova going on over there.
Okay.
Prices are amazing. Studios were starting for 650 onwards, so
DLRC.
Silicon Oasis.
Silicon Oasis, I've also given information recently. I had a friend working in Emirates. So he told me the entire engineering department is moving to Silicon. So there'll be about 1,700 Emirates employees alone in Silicon Oasis. So the rents will definitely rise. So I think, we're heading out to then DLRC and Silicon Oasis, Jumeirah Garden City, Furjan. Apart from these, if there are any areas you'd like us to cover, let us know. But this is our under 1 million series. We're hunting for investment deals. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Mohammed Zohaib signing out. And Asad.
Thank you.